Hey, good morning. This is Becky. I'm standing out in front of the new listing coming up tomorrow in the new section of Crosswater in Nocatee. Beautiful two-story home, ICI. It's only a year old. Many upgrades. Come check it out. Some of the wonderful things I love about this home is the open floor plan with the high ceilings, the granite countertops with the deep veining, and then who doesn't love the triple slider that opens all the way up to your screen lanai. This home is within walking distance of the brand new water park that is coming here, golf cart right away from your splash park lazy river. Jump on a golf cart in the evening. What we do, go to Coastal Wine, come check it out.